Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Welcome in online biology class. Hope you all are fine and preparing yourself for your board exams. So we have started with the new chapter and I think this is our fifth session that we are dealing in this chapter named Enhancement of Food Production. In this chapter, the part what we have completed are the microbes used in sewage treatment, microbe used in preparation of food materials, and microbes used in production of vitamins, antibiotics, etc. So we are here now to discuss the further part of the chapter, and this is the reduced part of your syllabus what I have already discussed with you people. Just it's a reminder for you people that this part is a reduced part of your syllabus. So now let's move on. Today we are going to discuss in this chapter about microbes in energy generation. Here we have to discuss about the use of microbes in generation of energy, as we are aware about that energy in all forms we are using, but here we have to discuss about the energy that we are utilizing in the form of gas. So here we are talking about the biogas plant. So many developing countries are encouraging for installation of biogas plant to meet out the requirement of energy. Biogas is used as a domestic as well as industrial fuel. It is a non-conventional and a renewable source of energy and is obtained by microbial fermentation. This biogas is not new for you people at all. You are familiar with it, but now today we are going to deal about biogas plant in detail, we can say. So we will see the production, what are the different processes, and what is the content we have to see here in this chapter. So biogas is a mixture of methane, that is CH4, and methane is present in 50 to 60% in it, carbon dioxide that is present in 30 to 40%, hydrogen sulfide that is 0 to 3% present in it, and other gases like carbon monoxide, nitrogen, hydrogen that is also available in traces form. So biogas is highly inflammable and it is used as a source of energy. You know that the gas methane that is having blue flame, that is burn with blue flame, is the main content of that biogas plant. This gas is produced by the anaerobic fermentation of organic waste containing carbohydrates and bacteria. Now as we have discussed about the composition, that it is having methane, carbon dioxide, traces of some hydrogen, nitrogen and hydrogen sulfide. So it is currently used in several ways, including the production of electricity, heating, water of central heating system, and as fuel also. If we will talk about the source of biogas or the biomass, what we are using are plant wastes, animal wastes, domestic waste, agricultural waste, municipal waste, forestry waste, etc. It is commonly used for biogas production. Cattle dung is most commonly employed substrate for biogas production because it is a rich source of cellulose from plant. So by utilizing such natural resources or by utilizing such natural substances, we are very easily and successfully producing the biogas, and we are having biogas plants in plenty in our country. And it is a mixture of gases produced by the microbial activity and which may be used as a fuel. Certain bacteria which grow anaerobically on cellulosic material produce large amount of methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So these bacteria are collectively called as methanogens, or the bacteria that is doing the process of preparation of methane is called as methogens or methanobacterium, we can say in general to these bacteria, because they are producing ultimately methane gas. Most commonly used models of biogas plants are KVIC and IARI. The digester used for biogas production is called biogas plant. A typical biogas plant using cattle dung as a raw material consists of digester and gas holder. Digester is made up of concrete bricks and cement or steel. There is a cylindrical gas holder or gas tank above it to collect gas. Digester has a side opening, or that is called as charge pit, into which raw material as cow dung is fed. The digester is partially buried in the soil. Anaerobic digestion is the main source of what we can say the effect is because of the anaerobic digestion only, and it is also having certain steps that we will discuss here. Basically, this complete process based on three processes, that is hydrolysis or solubilization, acidogenesis and methanogenesis. So the very first one is the hydrolysis or solubilization. So in initial stage, raw material or cattle dung is mixed with water in equal proportion to make slurry, which is then fed into the digester. Here anaerobic hydrolytic bacteria like Clostridium and Pseudomonas hydrolase carbohydrates into simple sugar, proteins into amino acid and lipids into fatty acid. So this process is called as hydrolysis. Next step is acidogenesis. In this stage, facultative anaerobic acidogenic bacteria and obligate anaerobic organism convert a simple organic material into acids like formic acid, acetic acid, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. So here we can say it is the basic step in the production of biogas, where there will be a conversion of we can say the material what we are adding. So simple organic material what we are adding is getting converted into the acids. That acids are very much responsible for the production of methane gas, or it is giving help for the methanogenesis we can say. So here by the process of an anaerobic acidogenic reactor, here we can say that it is getting help for methanogenic reactor we can say. एक स्टेप से दूसरे स्टेप पे यहाँ पे मदद मिलती है. तो वेस्ट वाटर जैसे ही टैंक में ऐड किए जाते हैं, स्लरी बनती है उसकी, एंड देन उसके बाद वहाँ पे इफ्लुएंट्स जो है वहाँ पे गैस डिस्चार्ज करने लगते हैं, एंड सिंपल ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस का वहाँ पे कन्वर्जन होने लगता है इन द कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल, और वहाँ पे एसिड्स जो है वो फॉर्म होने लगते हैं, जैसे कि फॉर्मिक एसिड है, एसिटिक एसिड है, एंड देन उसके अलावा साथ में वहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन गैस और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस भी प्रोड्यूस होती है. तो इस तरीके से इस सेकेंड स्टेप में बेसिक प्रिपरेशन होती है फॉर द फाइनल स्टेप, दैट इज द मीथेनोजेनेसिस. So after the completion of basic two steps, that is hydrolysis or stabilization and the acetogenesis, जहाँ पे एसिड्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं, then here there is a turn of the final process or the final stage that is called as methanogenesis. तो methanogenesis जैसे कि नाम से ही पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ पे जो एसिड्स कन्वर्ट हुए हैं, अल्टीमेटली द एनारोबिक बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द डाइजेस्टर विल हेल्प टू सेक्रीट द मीथेन गैस. तो यहाँ पे जो एसिड्स, एसिटिक एसिड, हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनी है, इसी से जो है मीथेनोजेनेसिस का प्रोसेस आगे बढ़ेगा, एंड देन देयर विल बी इवोल्यूशन ऑफ मीथेन गैस अलॉन्ग विद carbon dioxide, that is the methanogenic bacteria are responsible for this process. So methanogenesis is the last stage in which anaerobic methanogenic bacteria like methanobacterium, methanococcus convert acetate, hydrogen and carbon dioxide into methane, carbon dioxide and water, and there are some other products also. So by this reaction we may conclude the process of methanogenesis, that is acetic acid will get converted into methane, along with that carbon dioxide gas gets evolved, and the formic acid what has evolved in the process of acidogenesis, that will again give in the production of methane gas. Along with that carbon dioxide and water molecule will release. So this carbon dioxide and hydrogen water, when they will mix with each other, they will give the formation of methane gas. Along with it some water molecules are also releasing here. If we will talk about the benefits of methane gas, so it is very common right from your lower standards you are studying this. So let's revise it once again. So it is a cheap, a safe and renewable source of energy. It can be easily generated, stored and transported. It can be used for domestic lighting, cooking, street lighting as well as small scale industry. It burns with a blue flame and without smoke. It helps to improve sanitation of the surrounding. It is eco-friendly and does not cause pollution and imbalance of the environment. Sludge which is left over is used as a fertilizer. So overall this gas is eco-friendly, we can say, and not giving any kind of issues related to pollution to the environment. That is the reason on a large scale, especially in villages and small town, people are doing the production of biogas. It is very easy, very cheap, we can say, and it is highly used gas in the suburbs as well as in the urban areas, and many works like आपने जैसे अभी देखा कि small scale industries are also running on the basis of the methane gas, and there are certain examples in the village also that people are utilizing the gas for their cooking purpose simply the methane gas. एक बायोगैस का प्लांट होता है विलेज में, एंड उसी प्लांट से पूरे विलेज को कुकिंग पर्पस के लिए एंड फॉर अदर वर्क दे आर यूटिलाइजिंग दैट बायोगैस ओनली. तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे बेनिफिट्स में भी अभी देखा है कि किस तरीके से अलग अलग कामों के लिए, लाइक स्ट्रीट लाइटिंग के लिए और लाइटनिंग पर्पस के लिए, डोमेस्टिक कुकिंग के लिए दी गैस जो है वो यूज़फुल है. सो इट इज़ वेरी यूज़फुल एंड दिस टॉपिक इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी यूज़फुल एंड वेरी scoring, we can say, and along with diagram you have to remember this biogas plant, and for diagram basis also it is a 2 marks or 3 marks question. So overall I can say it is a very easy and very important topic and scoring as well. So here I will stop because a very small and interesting topic, and I request you people to please go through it and try to understand it in a more better way. So I think this much is enough for today, and whatever I taught today, it's your duty now to please go through it nicely, thoroughly. आप इसके रेफरेंस वीडियोस भी यूट्यूब पे जो अवेलेबल है वो देख सकते हो for your better understanding. And next time inshallah we will meet with another interesting video, and most probably that will be based on microbes as biocontrol agent. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग बात करेंगे different microbes की used as a pesticide and herbicides. So that is also a very interesting concept and scoring too. So till that, you just take care of yourself, try to understand the topic, take out your doubt and discuss it with me. Inshallah we will meet next time. So till that, take care. Assalamu alaikum.